Blackout. Dancers take position.
Wait, one dancer forgot a skirt.
He announced the next. He skipped an award.
MC को भेजो, MC को भेजो, MC को भेजो.
Ask him to take a pause.
No, let's just go with it now. Let's not change anything. We'll manage.
Stand by for AV. Go for AV.
Good show, guys. Going off the comms.
Hi everyone, welcome to Off the Comms, a show where we hang out with our friends from the events and experiential industry, and you get to see them in their non-work avatars. I must admit I have never worked with him, but then I was supposed to join in an organization and he was on his way out. Regardless of this, his mention brought about a smile on all women working there, and they had to say just one thing: he was so naughty. We started talking because of our love for the game of football, and it so happens that we support the same club from the Premier League. That's Arsenal. KG Ramnarayan is an avid musician, first generation entrepreneur with close to 2 decades of extensive experience in activations, live events, music, film marketing, and production. Having worked in capacities of Alliances Head at Viacom 18 Motion Pictures and Project Management Head of Sunburn Festival. Welcome to Off the Comms, Ram.
Yeah, hello. Cheers.
So Ram, when you did all those
Yes,
things, when you did Sunburn, when you did, when you're working with the Viacom 18, and when you had about those 20 years of experience with events, activation, and all that, did you ever think that you'll come to Off the Comms and talk to us?
Good question. So my answer is,
Uh,
I already wanted to be on TV. वो मेरे अपने show में भी नहीं हुआ. So my mom came to a shoot and said, "Are you also going to come on camera?" I said, "Unfortunately, no." So yeah, so this is my chance. Thank you guys. Thank you.
You're welcome. So you know what? Without any further delay, we'll go into the next segment.
What is important to all of us now is, and there's a little confusion also. So we want to know journeys of two people actually. We want to know Ram and Bharat, and we want to know
Judwa.
about their journeys
Judwa.
together. And want to know what is this Judwa story. But we want to know and hear from you, Ram.
So I have an older brother. He was called Sriram, while his grandfather name was Vishwanath. So Sriram ka bhai Bharat. So everybody who knew me till I started work know me as Bharat. My official name still remains to be Ram Narayan. From then it became Ram, and then I had a Facebook account. First with that name, then I had one more. So suddenly, brother, Arey, you have a twin brother? I said, no. So then finally, one feature on a phone happened, and then finally, दो आ गए साथ में. So वही है story. So half of them know me as Bharat, half of them know me as Ram Narayan.
Yeah,
But
but
I
tell
have
us
a
more.
question.
Tell us more, Ram. We want to know. We've seen you agency. We've seen that side of you, and I want you to spend some time telling us on how people used to react on that side, and how you still managed to make everybody laugh in the room in spite of those incidents. You remember what I'm talking about when you used to walk in at 12:31 in office, and I used to be like, "What the hell is happening?" And in the next 5 minutes, everybody's like chit chatting and cool about it. Like
No, man.
everything is so normal.
We were all young and doing great work, like exciting work, right? Probably all the work that I have done in 360 and then in Percept has just been like spectacular work. Work that everybody can do, but there was something that we could do better than anybody else, that excitement kept us going, yeah. And then of course, I'm a last minute warrior, so keep some things for the last day and then screw it up royally. And then somebody will come and figure it out. Yeah, but we had a lot of fun. Yeah, so much fun. Like we have been in situations where we couldn't have got out for sure. That's when the jokes help, Sony.
I know
With the
that.
client.
I've been witness to so many.
देख भाई
And then
कुछ
tell
नहीं
us,
हो रहा, अभी तो
after
jokes
that
सुन.
क्या है? After that क्या है?
Yeah,
I
that's the
witnessed many
easiest
of
way.
them.
Yeah, really, you and me on the console and that park and burning behind. Oh my god.
Oh my God.
We would have gone to jail. We would have gone to jail, boss.
No, 1 second. You survived that with Sony at the console? जो पार्क
Yeah.
जल रहा था?
Ram, I don't remember this, okay? Be true.
So, global CEO does a like a multiple country roadshow, So 22 countries over 17 days kind of a show, right? And he comes to every country and does a town hall. He has his own jet. He lands in every city, straight goes for the event, goes back on the plane and moves to the next. So in India, we used to work with, so they said that we have to do it. And I used to service this particular team and we used to do great work. Okay, like seriously, I've learned a lot from that. They used to send brand manuals, they used to send setup manuals. We used to just take it to Benny and Benny used to do everything. Only Roger was allowed to come there because we knew how they work, right? So third year running, I'm on the console. I think Sony was there or Sana was there. This other girl who was in production. He was talking and she was like full Z level security and like a bouncer, Israeli security guy and all. They have done recce's. Smoke is coming from behind the CEO. So मैं बोला Ronnie smoke. Ronnie smoke. Arey, tell the light guy na. She's thinking I have to quit smoke. No, something's burning. Arkan has burned up the gel paper right behind him. There is smoke behind him. And all hell has broken loose. Okay, client is now flying towards me like that. वहां से security वाला अंदर आ रहा है. The head has come to the console and I said, "What's the problem? Why are you here?" He's saying, "This is a problem. Stop." I said, "Get out of my console first." Boss, देख fuck up हो गया. Confidence चाहिए. Just move, get out of the console and come in the front and talk to me. तब तक Parkan figure out किया. He was about to be like evacuated from the venue. और मैं बोला Parkan चलाया boss, relax करो. So yeah, and lots of stuff like this, but this was like really very scary. उसके बाद मैं बाहर वो लाइट वाले को पकड़ा पड़ा इधर वायरिंग crazy. Yeah, so like this, there are lots we can do like 5 seasons with me.
But I'm going to go a little back to my question, Ram.
Yeah.
What we want to know a lot of this more in the coming section for sure.
Sure.
But we want to know what made events happen for Ram. Can you tell us that?
Oh, okay. So very, very, very
events, music, whatever,
So
whatever.
music,
Just like a
sure. So music, always we have been like a musical family. My older brother, he's a performing mridangam artist for the last 35 years probably now.
Wow.
So I have woken up every day to music and gone to sleep with music, so Carnatic classical, and then how my brother basically then started initiating me into other forms of music, mostly Indian. So that, and then of course I used to learn music. I have learned singing, I have learned violin, and I've just heard my brother every single day of my life. So that's how I picked up rhythm, and I used to play for a band and stuff. So that happened, and then went to college. I was always singing. So college, there was lots of events. Ganpati, basically, probably, if you ask me, the Ganpati festival and the organizing of that in my building probably made me realize that it's such a rewarding experience to be in events. Everything that you do, and when the curtains open, right, you see the smiles on people. It's a little cheesy, but it's real for me. I really love it. So yeah, so then from then went to college, started a small company who used to do manpower. So I used to organize like manpower for events only because I used to love to do it. And then worked with a lot of agencies and stuff. So me and a couple of other friends started this. And then finished college, wanted to do MBA, and then tried, didn't make it in a couple of places. I really wanted to go to, a school like Symbiosis, gave the entrance. And then I was by then working in an activation agency called Velocity, which was a small boutique kind of an agency, but doing hardcore work. Okay? Like exhibitions used to take me to Aligarh, Muzaffarnagar, and people are randomly walking in and saying "Chal band kar." and there's a shiny silver gun. 2 minutes रुकिए, and then बोला चल बाहर निकल. Shut the exhibition, put the lock, and I said, "ये लीजिए चाबी." And then walked out, and I called my boss. I said, "What the fuck is it? Where have you sent me? Do you have insurance for me?" Stuff like that. It's crazy. So that basically made me uh, really cognizant about how to crack smaller markets. And I made friends everywhere. I still am friends with so many people. My wife asks me, "Tu kahan bhi jata? How do you have people to meet?" So all this is the reason, basically, right? So then Velocity happened. Then simultaneously, I was doing Symbiosis entrance, and then Girish Bhatt he used to be in 360. So Girish and I used to run that small little manpower thing back in college.
Ram, did you ever do manpower for Nykaa?
I did, yes, a lot of it actually. Nykaa,
Oh,
my very
I can't
friend.
abuse you on this, but I can't believe it. This is the first time we need to chat about this. Sorry.
So
I am the Girish.
So one of the promoters of not showbiz.
We need to chat. No, but we used to take certain promoters, and I was told that listen, ye Ram hai from Nykaa, and then we've had some chat. So yeah.
No, but
sorry,
I've done some mad. I should like 400 people and 500 people and all. Crazy. So anyway, so that happened. Then Girish called. He was heading one division at times. So he said, "Come, I need some people in my team." So I said, "Okay, I'll come." So went. As soon as I joined, 1 month के बाद salary hit. So Times is salary on 30th. Bliss.
Yeah, 29th, 30th.
If you, why I'm so happy about it is because I work in that other company as well. So yeah. Anyway, so salary hit, and then 1 week later the Simbi letter came saying that you got through. So I said, "Oh shit." Because salary आया, ambience गया, बहुत दारू पिया, बहुत मजा कर रहे हैं. First day I'm calling Girish, and I said, so I'll come to office because yeah, abhi. So the first 7 days of my job, I had rashes in like under my thighs. Setup पे रखड़ा है गिरीश ने, बोला चल setup पे आ. And that 1 week basically just opened up my mind, saying that this is how actually work is being done. And met some great people along the way: Rustam Pavri, Shailesh Gopalan, Jaideep, and the whole gang. So then 360, I was there for a year. The last 3 months was very, very chaotic there. 1 year later, Devraj, I knew Devraj from earlier. So Devraj called, he said, "Listen, come." So I said, "Okay, I'll come." So I went, hopped across to Percept and met Devraj, and then within a week, I was through. So I moved. And that it's a roller coaster. So it's madness. So had a great time at Percept. 2 years into Percept, they had a vacuum in the Bangalore branch. So they asked me, "Do you want to go?" So I said, "Yeah, I'll go." So went to Bangalore.
This 2008, 2009?
Yeah.
2008?
Yeah.
2008. I think you were there.
So I effectively replaced you in Percept.
Possibly.
Yeah, I came in to replace you at, yeah.
And then one of our old clients, this guy called Rudro, who used to be in Kingfisher Airlines, right? So I was extensively doing a lot of work with Malia's company. So it was airlines and the Formula One team. So I launched the Formula One team in India.
Oh.
And yeah, and my high point is that I was made the custodian of the Formula One car in India. So anybody in the country wanted to hire that car, they had to pay me. मेरे पास चाबी था ट्रेलर का. I swear to God. And that time I was actively watching racing. Okay, so I was so like orgasming, man. Any day I want to see an F1 car, I can go. Yeah, so magic. So he was my client there, and we really hit it off. Then went to Viacom. I was heading the motion pictures team for events, activations, alliances, publicity, display, multiplex relationships and stuff.
Yeah, I haven't seen a cooler client than you, Ram.
I'm cool now.
Ram, you gave her work.
मतलब मेरे को इतना
Look at
स्ट्रेस
Girish.
मिला है. हाँ, what?
Ram,
मेरा
one
लग
second.
रहा है कि
मेरे
तूने
को लगा
मेरे को
मैं
काम
तेरा
दिया.
भाई हूँ. तूने उसको काम दिया?
नहीं दिया.
नहीं दिया.
Ram, stop lying, Ram.
We'll take it offline.
So then,
So yeah, so that was just like the icing on the cake, because music is one thing that I can't live without. Films is the other. So I was like a film junkie, right? So I was like Alice in Wonderland. It was magic. So those 5 years, I had a blast. Did some really important things for the scene. Made a few changes to the whole thought process of the film marketing world. You know, yeah, had a great time. And then something happened, and then I said, you know, I need to do something in music. So I started working on some ideas. Simultaneously, a very old friend of mine joined MX as the head of content, and he wanted to do something in music. So he called me. He said, listen, let's meet and figure where this takes us. So he called and we started talking. He had an idea, I had an idea, we improvised, and then I made the show, Times of Music. And it got greenlit. So the day it got greenlit, I resigned. And
by the way, cracking show, huh, Ram? Cracking
thank
show.
you, man. Thank you. I'm
Good
glad.
work. Good work. So
Made with a lot of heart. It was basically my life ode to the music. You know, I gave it everything. So this was something that I just gave up everything for this. So I quit and I started developing it. It took me a year after I quit for it to develop into something. Then shot, and then did the post. So finally, from the day I got the idea till the day people knew about the show, it was 3 years.
Wow.
So,
lot of hard work and all
Lot,
paid off.
lot,
yeah,
lot.
sweet
All paid
rewards,
off.
really sweet rewards. I have actually, you know, cried when the camera started rolling and the song played out, you know. So it was just magic.
Wow.
What happened? And then stuff started happening alongside. Then I took a very conscious decision to, you know, say that if music is basically driving me, I should be doing only music. And then I figured that there is no other creative unit that's particularly doing only music. You know, people are doing a lot of things. So I said, yeah, why not? So now I'm only doing music. I'm only thinking music. I'm only trying to pitch music. I'm only trying to create music experiences.
That's
So,
awesome, Ram. That's awesome. But it's great to know about so much more, Ram. I'm sure there are things that even I didn't know about and many of us didn't. So thanks for
yeah,
sharing that.
thank you.
But now we're going to like, I think you should just let loose. We'll make you have some fun.
Sure.
You're looking too serious and that's not okay.
It's the camera. It's the camera. The camera.
So I'm going to tell Anshu to take this on further and we're going to have lots of fun now.
Sure.
With such an interesting and exciting journey that you've had, and you know, hearing so much about music and the passion for music, it just takes me back to my early days in events where right early on, when I was in charge of this one early morning concert, and I was in charge of artist management of this really renowned, you know, very respected artist. And so I ensured that, you know, the green room is all done. My checklist of the F&B and the AC cut temperature and the way it looks, ambience, perfect. Like I was like, I'm prepared for anything that comes my way. So I've let the artist and the entourage into the green room, and but the artist didn't seem to be very happy. So I spoke to manager saying, what seems to be the issue? So he says, you know, the artist doesn't like the color of the green room.
Who is this artist?
Hey, you can't do that.
No, once again, you said classical. You said classical.
Yeah.
I'll tell you.
Hey, Anshu, message kar mere ko, please.
I will. So it just takes
So
me
then?
back to times where, you know, in all our journeys, with all our career and experiences, there are so many of these WTF, you know, memes moments that we're like,
Yeah.
listen, dude, there is no way that
I can write
have
a book
an
on
answer
it.
for the situation.
101 minimum I can write.
So let's just hear some of those now, at this time, and it'll be all fun. Let's have some from you.
Oh no, where all do I begin? Yeah. So I had this very peculiar disease, very hectic, busy traveling life, right? Back in the day, like doing an event every second day, and then going from one place to the other, whatever. For some reason, full confidence, I used to book the first flight out. I have not taken even one flight out. The first flight. I have missed every single first flight of my life.
Yeah, I hate red eye flights. I'm with you
No,
on that.
I used to book it. ऐसा भी नहीं- Boss, I used to do work for Kingfisher Airlines. I had a password and login for a back-end system. Mostly I have traveled only for them, right? So I knew that cancel हुआ तो अगला वाला लेंगे.
एक बार आ जाएंगे.
This whole vicious cycle of working late, going to drink, and then saying, यार बहुत काम किया, आज पीना तो पड़ेगा. अरे कल इवेंट है ना, कल जाने का है. ठीक है ना, but आज काम किया ना, so then drink. Sleep late and then miss. I have missed every single first flight. Okay. So one of these multi-city tours, I have finished some 2-3 cities, and we were raging that time. We used to work very, 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 very hard, and we used to party very, 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 very harder. Like,
Correct.
you don't want to know like how we used to party. Anyway, so I have reached Delhi, and I normally used to not take a hotel. I used to stay with a friend, because that's the only time you get to meet people from other cities, So I was staying at a friend's, and then one thing led to the other. We were drinking, and I kept an alarm. I have never woken up, but confident. I have an event next day in Calcutta, and I'm in Delhi. And my production person is traveling from Bombay, and he's going, and he has no idea, because he's just been thrown into the scene saying that this you have to do. And I've woken up at some 11 o'clock with a heart attack. Okay. What time? So it's 11. Flight was at 6.
Wow.
Event is at 6. I'm in Delhi. Flight is to Cal. So there were hardly any flights, like 3-4 flights. Right? Nothing happened. I didn't reach for that event.
Whoa.
Mera production wala is doing the event on his own, and he's saying that, what the fuck are you doing? I said, listen, I can't do anything. I can take the flight. And what time will you reach? 6:30. He's saying, chod mata, main dekh leta. So thankfully there was this other guy who was in Cal at the same time, and he was a senior. So I called him. I said, listen, abhi lag gaya, tu kuch kar. So he went, and somehow they salvaged. But the client loved me, so they really didn't figure what happened. But that was really like a wake-up call. So ye hone ke baad, I moved to Bangalore immediately. So those days, my older brother, he's an aviation specialist. So he used to work with Jet.
Okay.
So if I got up late, so I have a sleeping thing also. I don't wake up early. I'm not an early riser. I have never been that. So even in I used to not go to office at 9:30 ever. And I was not a tyrant. At the time that I was being interviewed, I have told them upfront. I said, listen, boss, ये सब ठीक है. पैसा कितना दे रहे हो बोल. दूसरा, मैं जल्दी नहीं आ सकता. So I have not started my day before 11:30 ever till date. Right? So what was I saying, man? Forgot.
Your brother was an aviation specialist and with
so
Jet.
my brother was at Jet, right? And senior guy. So once or twice I said, listen, I'm screwed. I need to get to this place and I'm running late. Flight is at some 6:30 and it's 6 o'clock and I'm in Kalina. ऐसा कुछ हुआ है, ठीक है? So I said, please कुछ करना है. He said, अच्छा ठीक है. I have woken him up, so he's already angry. Early morning. So he said, हाँ ठीक है. He called back. He said, तेरा boarding pass ready है. Somebody will be waiting to escort you. I'm like, wow, ये mind blowing है system. मैं second time भी उसको phone किया. And I can feel that he's really agitated.
Set.
He did it the second time. Third time, so he stopped taking my calls only. We used to live together that time, so he knew that I'm going for the flight. He said, "Iska phone hai, main nahi lega was." So he just stopped taking my calls. He just stopped taking my calls. He said, "Tera problem hai, boss. Tu miss kar flight." I used to miss flight. What, boss? I've missed so many flights, man.
But Ram, tell me, I'm sure because you've dealt with so many artists, with with your love for music or with clients, I'm sure there must be so many other instances where you've done everything that you had to, and it's just that the instance and the scenario is such that you've been posed with a situation where you're like, dude, iska kya karu main? What does it mean? So let's have some of those.
I'll tell you. In 360, we were doing this symposium or a confluence of Sindhis. I don't know why. Yeah, exactly. So what? Sony will get agitated. Relax.
Ram, I don't get agitated. Ram,
But listen, so this is like a huge ass Sindhi community meeting, So exhibition है, symposium है, conference है, उसके बाद gala night है. मतलब क्यों कर रहा है तुम लोग? मतलब क्यों? मतलब मेरे पास पैसा है ये ले तो. So it was like,
once again, who said that? Sindhis?
No, I'm assuming. Otherwise, why would they do this? Really, it was just Sindhis meeting Sindhis. Anyway, and
it's good that they're trending. It's good for us.
So this work is on, and that was a hell of a client. Okay, like a hell. So there is this other thing. Whenever the client is the most difficult, guess who gets chosen to talk to them? Ram. This has happened throughout. Okay, he's a hell of a client, and मैं बोल रहा okay sir, done sir. So ये सब करके we have to make trophies, okay, and fuckloads of them, like 280 trophy ऐसा कुछ. And approval मिला कुछ 6 दिन पहले. कौन करेगा कौन? सब लोग मना कर दिया. This one company said that I'll do it. So we said okay, we gave him the order. So trophy का sample चाहिए, आ ही नहीं रहा है. Trophy का sample चाहिए, आ ही नहीं रहा है. He's saying bro, just wait, I'll do it. Just wait, I'll do it. Event का दिन आ गया है, trophy का sample नहीं आया. The client is a fire-breathing dragon, Sindhi. Okay, he's gone to the next level. Okay, I don't want to even get there. तो गाली वाली मेरे को देगा तो मेरे को हंसी आता है. मैं गुस्सा नहीं. Because I know that I can't do shit, dude. Like you want to abuse, go ahead and do it. So trophy नहीं है. So I said, listen, I'll go. So me and a friend of mine have left. He was a servicing guy. So we left and we went to the trophy का workshop. एक trophy भी खत्म नहीं हुआ है. So he's had some manufacturing fuck up. He's not made one trophy also. We have to make 280, okay? So 1 hour planning, next 1 hour panicking, next 1 hour escalating, saying that भाई देख scene होने वाला है, अभी पता नहीं क्या करने का. 3:30, 4 o'clock हो गया है, client पहुंच गया है, setup चल रहा है, almost everything is ready. This guy is not delivering even one trophy. So by then we were delirious. Okay, we started laughing at the trophy. I swear to God, I'm not lying. Trophy workshop में मैं और ये load put, we have fallen down, rolling and laughing because we were just so helpless. मैं बोल रहा कि ये fuck up तो नहीं हो सकता है, और अगर हुआ है तो देख भाई हम लोग ने सब try कर लिया. This is not happening only, boss. The trophies didn't come. So somebody got a trophy from their house and used that as a dummy trophy. आप आओ, लो, वो आदमी के trophy जीता, वो नीचे उतरा, वापस ले लिया. So what kind of an event is this? Taking me back.
Arun Fit Night was a Sindhi event, no?
Yeah. So that was really. I mean, I was helpless. I didn't know what to do. It was a crazy scene, man.
So I think that was a lot of fun. Ram, we've heard so many stories and we let ourselves loose in this section. But coming up next with Megha is where you need to sit up, get all your energies together. Because we have a great segment lined up for you with Megha. We call the round quickies, and we want you to be quick.
Yeah.
So
I'll try. अभी speed कम हो रहा है.
yeah, and we also want a lot of this. So every question, the first thing that comes to your mind,
Yeah.
just shoot with that. So if not football, then which sport would you support and why?
So cricket, obviously, because we have just been living with cricket all our life, man. I stopped watching cricket because of Sachin. So the day he retired, I like just lost interest in cricket. And Dravid and Lakshman
Dravid.
and Kumble and that batch, right? So yeah, if it was not football, it would have been cricket for sure.
I actually thought you'd say F1, but I'm really surprised.
No. Because F1 I stopped because a lot of things changed there and so close second would be tennis.
Ooh, I like both. Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
I love okay, so the first 3 words you said when Arsenal lost 8-2 to Man U.
You'll have to beep thrice.
Go on.
No. Sad, depressing, and disappointing. Really.
Wow, that's like so not what I saw coming from you, but okay.
Soft spot पे touch कर दिया तूने boss.
Achha, that is so open to misinterpretation, but I'll go to the next one.
Oh. Mega.
Okay, concerts in the morning or concerts in the evening?
Morning, man, for sure.
Oh,
Without
very
a
nice.
doubt.
You don't catch flights. How do you attend the concerts?
That's the other thing. Apart, I have gone for morning concerts a lot, right? I have woken up half an hour before I have to wake up. I swear to God, without an alarm. That's the thing. I have started concerts at 5:30, 6 in the morning. So Zakir Hussain does a tribute to his father, Allah Rakha, at Shanmukhananda every year. It's his Barsi, right? So that's basically a celebration of music from 6:30 in the morning to 11 in the night. Multiple sessions, right? Today it's about 18 or 19 years, out of which I have attended about 15 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
So call us next time, yeah? We'd like to attend this.
So your brother has the passion for the flights and you had the passion for...
so concerts, man. Morning concert is just life-changing.
But it is beautiful.
It's life-changing.
Yes,
and classical is just next level. Xavier's,
Janfest.
I've had such massive memories from there, man. Like those days they used to have baithaks, which used to be all night.
The IMG
Start at 10 and end at 6. I have photographic memory of Hari Prasad Chaurasia playing for like 4 hours probably.
Wow.
And people used to sit down, right? So 2-2:30 baje, he's in the middle of a scene, okay? Like trance में सब लोग. बेचारा कोई तो 2 लोग को सुसु आया रहेगा बॉस. और उन लोग आगे बैठा था. अभी क्या करेगा? उन लोग उठा रहे. तो उठा ना. हरि प्रसाद चौरसिया put his flute down. I'm getting goosebumps while I'm telling you.
No, but you know,
listen to this. Apart, listen to this. उसने flute नीचे किया ना. बोला जाइए जाके आइए. वो बोला ना suddenly ना 1,000 people or 800 people का सबका faces ऐसा on those 2 people. Okay, so they are like this. So Hari ji is saying, आप जाइए जाके आइए, हम रुकते हैं आपके लिए. So they have got up and they have walked and Hari ji is looking at them. I don't think they came back because I was wondering कि इतना मोटा क्यों लेकर आया ही नहीं
इतना pressure already डाल दिया था उधर.
That's something.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to even ask you my second question, the other question after this. I'm going to skip it because I think concerts is going to be a choice for everything, over everything rather. So tell me this, if you and of course Bharat weren't in the event industry, where would the 2 of you be?
I would be a musician. I don't know about him though. I would be a musician for sure.
My next question, which ad convinced you to never buy the product that was being advertised?
Ooh.
Yeah, we need to know how you think, right? It just can't be about your naughtiness.
Oh shit, I was just about to say Victoria's Secret. Convince me never to buy it. Fog Dio, man.
Agreed. I should just say I'm very happy
It's
to
so
hear that.
cheesy, but it's brilliant. But I would never buy it for sure. क्या चल रहा है? Fog चल रहा है. Why would you buy anything like this?
Okay, would you be considered naughty or sexy?
Naughty maybe, yeah. Sexy तो हूँ ही, but naughty.
Just look
Chance
at my face. Like
chance
I'm
मिले
not
तो
wrong.
बोल देने का बस. Chance नहीं चाहिए.
Okay, describe yourself as a teenager in 3 words or less.
Exciting, dangerous, and fun.
Has anybody told you were all of these, or these are goals?
No, these are not. These
It is
are, I
Ram,
was a self goal.
Bharat, etc.
मिल बैठेंगे टीम में यार. राम भरत और
etc.
बैकपाइपर.
वो वाला, correct. Not back paper, green label though. Yeah.
Okay, who is your forever celebrity crush, and who is Bharat?
Celebrity crush, Scarlett
Like,
Johansson for sure. Like I dream about Scarlett kind of vibes.
well, you're not alone.
And who else, man? Aditi Rao Hydari for some reason. Yeah. वो भरत का हो सकता है.
ये अच्छा था. Okay, who would play you in a movie of your life?
Asrani.
How did you not say Johnny Lever, but okay.
Kishore Kumar.
Oh, that's
There.
really
Yeah,
nice.
maybe, yeah.
Really nice.
Yeah.
Half ticket.
That's
ठीक है.
really nice.
मैं पागल नहीं हूँ, मेरा दिमाग खराब है.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
My life in one line.
I must say, Ram, of all the, at least this is my opinion, of all the quickies that we've had so far, you were the most fun. And I'm going to leave it at that.
Where's the hamper?
It's a
When
reach.
we come to Malad,
Oh,
you get a
Yeah,
hamper.
yeah,
You know what I mean?
pass.
Okay, no, that was awesome. And I think now we're going to move on to the next segment.
So guys, we have a very close friend of Ram's with us, and actually he's a close friend of a lot of us. I've known him since college, and so have a few of the others. We've all had a chance to sometime or the other in the industry meet and hope to work together. Please welcome a very close friend, as I mentioned, Rohan Batise, and has been working, I think, in the industry for about 15 to 18 years right now. So guys, please give a warm welcome to Rohan.
Hi, Rohan.
Hi, Rohan.
Hi, Rohan.
Time no see, man.
That was a very humbling introduction. Thanks, Apar, for the introduction. So, in fact, Ram and I go really long way back. In fact, it's almost 16, 17 years now. What had happened is I met Ram in 360 and I knew him as Ram, of course. Everyone
I was
knew
in
him as-
servicing, he was in production.
I was in production and I
Don't
met him.
Don't show off. Let him talk.
Yeah. And I knew him as Ram, and my wife, in fact, told me that there is someone named Bharat who has joined 360.
There.
And I said, Bharat नहीं है भाई, उसका नाम तो राम है. तो बोला नहीं भाई, it is Bharat.
Because Anila used to live in
It's Ram.
Chembur and she knows my wife and she has a lot of common friends. So she knew
So Anila, Ram's wife, a couple of other friends knew Ram as Bharat, and I knew Ram as Ram. And once when we met, after all this confusion got over, we met. He said, "यही भरत है, यही राम है, यही सब कुछ है."
जो चाचा है वही भतीजा है, जो भतीजा है वही चाचा.
But you know, the first game that we'll play with you is play. It sounds a very wrong term. But is lip
Playing
sync.
games.
Please.
Ludo.
It's called
Ludo.
lip sync, and it's very simple. One of us is going to mute our audio, which is me, and say a word that you have to guess. So we just have one rule. no using your phones to discuss the answers offline. So हाथ ऊपर कर दो, simple just say.
Hamper
हाथ ऊपर कर दो,
मैं करता
खड़े
था.
कर दो हाथ ऊपर कर दो. You know? So are you guys ready for this?
Come on, bring it on.
First one. Okay.
Mone Dinesha.
Not
bad.
bad. That's really good. That's really
Yeah.
good. Girish, you're on mute. Huh?
Hey, what is
मेरा
Mone
भाई है.
Dinesha?
There's an iconic dialogue from a Mohanlal film where his
He used to always.
catchphrase
Like I know you
was-
so well, no?
his
I
catchphrase
don't know
was
which one
Mone
I'm
Dinesha.
talking to.
So,
So the
like,
point is,
Abhi-
I don't know which one I'm talking to.
Abhi
But,
Ashok Saraf.
you do it. You try this with Anila
I
and
am
then you'll get lucky tonight.
I have another one, so I'll give you another one, and then you guys can then play with each other.
नहीं वापस सॉरी तू थोड़ा लिप मूवमेंट करना अच्छे
उसको
से
pin
ऐसा
करना.
ऐसे क्या कर रहा है हाँ. बोल नहीं सकते हैं
जीवन है जंड फिर भी something ना this is something like that ना.
Listen, this is very. This is one of those annoying questions that we have as event managers when the show is about to end.
जनरेटर बंद कर दो
Oh man.
You said that?
That was
Wow.
superb.
But who is this? Generator बंद कर दूँ? हाँ मतलब the production used to come and say generator बंद कर दो.
तो मेरे को बेसिकली आदत है क्योंकि साजिद भाई का आदमी आता था दरवाजे में जोर से बोल नहीं सकता था वो ऐसा ही बोलता था
Well done, buddy. Superb. Moving forward, I think, chalo, between you guys, I'm sure that there is a story behind it. You know, when you have worked together, there are key words that you can lip sync and let the other one guess.
So I'll do it. My turn.
Chalo?
Rohan.
Yeah, Ram, your turn.
Rohan.
जोर से बोलना जम्मे कर नहीं हो रहा है हाँ डम शराट्स करना इसको इम्प्रोवाइज है स्टेज पे तो हाँ टू वर्ड्स है हाँ फर्स्ट वर्ड
Ram,
फर्स्ट वर्ड को दो
Ram,
पार्ट
you have a minute. Huh? You have a minute for this. You have a minute for this.
हो गया उसका clue.
Sorry,
You have to Rohan. You have to.
Flop यार Rohan. Share.
क्या बोला?
बोल दो आंसर. Shimmer
हाँ.
curtain.
Good one. Good one.
बट मैं क्या बोल
What
रहा
is the
था
story behind it?
Yeah, why Shimmer
स्टोरी
curtain?
हाँ स्टोरी चाहिए राम यू शुड
So we were launching a very reputed auto magazine in India, and
No.
Taj में show था.
नॉट ऑटो मैगजीन
हाँ.
तू भूल गया नो
अरे no, sorry. This was like one of those parties, channel का parties. Okay. And
The best parties.
Full going mad with decor and ये और वो. So दरवाजे पे ओबरॉय का बॉलरूम का दरवाजे पे we had put those झालर curtains, shimmer curtains, जो foil वाला है ना. And some dick who's done the wiring has left one wire open.
नो neon lights
Neon lights or whatever, some wire was open and it was touching one foil. तो हम लोग सेटअप चल रहा है 4-5. एक तो दूसरा एक फायर है जो
बोलना ही मत
कब बुझेगा वो पता ही नहीं है, तो वो तो चल ही रहा है. फायर एक अलग. यहाँ से मैं I've gone for a smoke, I've come back in and I've like झालर से निकल के बाहर आया तो शॉक लगा रे. तो 4:30 5 o'clock ऐसा कुछ है, तो मैं बोल रहा है कि शॉक तो लग गया. So I quickly ran and to my boss and I just like tapped. I said, "Shimmer curtain से शॉक लग रहा है." ऐसा okay.
every single person who was entering to that place was getting electrocuted
And my boss is talking to the client in a huddle, and I've gone and told him this. So everybody is like, and now this is something that I don't believe, but these guys are all saying that तू हंस के बोल रहा था, which I don't believe, Rohan.
वो बोल रहा है मालूम है क्या हो रहा है तुम्हें लग रहा है ऐसा क्या बोलता है यशी मकरंद स्वामी?
It's your turn now. Chalo.
Yeah.
Just finish this lip sync wala segment.
Cold, cold, cold and hot.
Can't.
Cold,
Don't
Cold.
nod your head. Huh? Go on.
hottie. Okay. Cold, cold. Cold and hot.
Yeah, clearly, Ram, that's not what it is.
What is it then, yeah?
Ram, you can't take forever. Huh?
नहीं आ रहा है अभी क्या समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है.
Faster,
Okay,
very
time done.
faster.
Time done. Please, time
क्या है
done.
बोल रोहन?
Go on.
Golden orchid.
अरे यार.
और ये भी बता
Ram
दे
was
मैंने
into the
ऐसा.
camera.
गोल्डन ऑर्किड क्या है लेकिन?
What? और रेस्टोरेंट का नाम क्या है?
तू ऐसा गलत बोले तूने तो
वाइल्ड ऑर्किड.
कुछ भी मतलब.
What do you do,
Hello.
Ram and Rohan?
How are you, Murli?
How are you?
Great, great. We're going to have a small quiz for both Ram and Rohan. This is the first question. Connect the two pictures
Sultans of Swing.
and okay, that
Ah,
was
मस्त.
very fast.
Ah,
Okay,
Dire Straits and
Sultan
cricket.
the swing. It is okay. So here we go to question number 2. Okay, think beyond the obvious and name a fruit.
Jackfruit.
Oh my
Oh, that's great. Okay. Okay, the mridangam is made from the wood of the jackfruit
Yeah.
tree. Though mridangam means clay body, it is no
Yes.
longer
Mridanam.
clay, it is the jackfruit. Well done. Okay, this is two iconic guitar pieces composed by the late R.D. Burman.
Ram, you should know this.
It's also a great singer.
Is this Bhupinder? Bhupinder is a guitarist, right?
Okay, Bhupinder is right. Absolutely right. It is Bhupinder Singh. Well
Yeah,
done.
used to be Punjab.
Ram.
पेपर लीक हुआ है. पेपर लीक हुआ है. पेपर लीक हुआ है.
ये चल रही है.
Awesome. 5 out of 7. Okay, great. Well done. Well done.
Thank you.
Let's move on to the next question now. Think about the main character and then
I
think beyond the obvious,
no
name
idea.
a famous football personality.
I have no clue of this. Sorry.
Professor
Ram.
Arsene Wenger. Arsene Wenger.
Oh, well done. Arsene Wenger is right.
Yeah. The professor.
Wow,
Love
that's-
professor.
Well, professor and love professor.
Correct.
Very beautifully connected. Really like your quizzing skills there. Okay, so now we come to the next question. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to play a part of a Global Fusion concert which I personally attended in Muscat. I just want to know who was the drummer. Okay. Okay, your time starts now.
You want to know the drummer?
Ranjit
Yeah,
Barrett.
the drummer.
Ranjit Barrett
Ranjit
or
Barrett
Shivamani
or-
or Darshan Doshi?
Listen,
Ranjit
you can't
Barrett.
give so many names. Yeah, just one. Name.
Yeah.
Ranjit Barrett.
Ranjit.
Barrett, I think.
Okay, it is not Ranjit Bharat. Though I thought you would probably say Ranjit Bharat, but it is. Let me give you the answer. You can see for your
Tawfiq Bhai.
Trilok Gurtu.
Tawfiq Bhai.
Trilok Gurtu.
Oh, Trilok. Trilok.
Both of them,
Trilok
yeah.
Gurtu.
Trilok. Yeah.
Okay, Trilok Gurtu.
This
it
was a tough one. You can't really make out.
So that we come to the end of our session tonight for you guys. I'll take your leave. Thank you,
Thank you,
Ofcom guys.
Thanks,
Okay.
Murli.
Thank
Thank you,
Okay.
Murli. So, guys, I think we had fun with this segment. And Ram, Rohan, both of you all, please chime in if you all enjoyed this segment. But I think it was entertaining enough for all of us. And Rohan, thanks a lot for being here, guys.
Thank you.
Cheers
Rohan.
for Rohan as well.
Thank you for calling. Thank you.
Right?
For calling, guys. Cheers to
Cheers.
Cheers,
all of
Rohan.
us. Cheers to all of us, guys.
All of us.
Yes, cheers, guys.
I have a special message for you, Ram. You must watch this. Hold on.
Hi Ram.
Oh, Shayo.
Just saying your name puts a big smile on my face and reminds me of some super amazing times that we've had while we were working together. Of course, I know the power of Ram's smile and Ram's positive attitude because I used to work with you in your team for so long. And you taught me something that no one has been able to teach me after that, which is just to sort of always find a funny and light side to any situation, whether it's a happy or not happy situation. And life is not too bad when you sort of have that positive attitude and positive spin on things. I remember very clearly how you'd walk into office at 1:45, 12:30, and all eyes would be on you and everyone would be like, oh my god, he's walking in so late. But just a few seconds later, that big smile would appear and everyone would sort of forget that you were late. It's a power that very few people have, and I'm so happy that I had the opportunity to sort of work with you and work around you and your smile. Of course, everyone knows that your love for music is like no other. And it is because of you that I was introduced to so much new music that I had never heard. Of course, our love for psychedelic was something that we shared in common. But apart from that, there was so much like R.D. Burman and so many classical musicians that I had never heard before that I listened to and I enjoy only because of you. I still remember when you moved to Bangalore. I don't know if you remember, you burnt me a 3-pack CD of Live with Music, Grow with Music and Love with Music. I still have that 3-pack and it is still in my memory box, and it's one of the most amazing presents I've ever received. Ram, you are a truly, truly special person, and even though I don't get to hear "What's up, Bobby?" very often, you are always in my thoughts and always in my heart.
Hey, this is so cool. Yeah, I've not spoken to you in so long. It's brilliant.
I know.
Wow.
But this
Superb.
is what we
Bravo,
started the show with, Ram. That
Yeah, this is real, man. Yeah.
even though people have not spoken to you, but they have just the best things to say.
Oh,
about
it's
you.
lovely. Thank you, man. Really.
You were a part of this with us, and we're really, 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 and most as a friend, I'm really, really proud to see what you're doing.
Superb. Thank
You're
you.
a great human being. Thank you for being
Thank you, guys.
special and making that difference in all our lives.
Just say that, listen, he's doing really well. Don't say
Cheers
that
to
he's
Ram.
really.
Cheers to
Rohan
Ram.
is raised the toast, so let's just do that.
Yes.
Guys,
Thank you,
Rohan is raised the
guys.
toast, so let's just do
Raising
that.
a toast to Ram
Rohan,
Cheers,
Rohan,
cheers,
for
thank
always
you
being there with
for
me
bearing
and
with
with all
Ram.
of us.
No, Ram. No. Rohan, thank you for
Ram,
bearing
Rohan,
with Ram.
Bharat, एक
And,
decide.
Ram Rohan Bharat.
मैं लक्ष्मण बोल दूंगा अभी. सुन, Rohan,
Saint
thanks
Ram,
for
Ram.
bearing with Ram and doing all the amazing kick-ass work that you've been doing. Thank you. And Ram, we should chat.
Yes, we should.
Yeah.
Thank you. Cheers. Yeah, thank you, guys.
Thank
Really, it was a
you.
pleasure.
In your
Guys,
video,
give me 3 seconds. 3 seconds.
But
1, 2, 3.
so, what was I saying, man? Forgot.
I remember once he said, "Go, इतना late आने का तो घर जाओ." Ram picked up
I
his
left.
bag and started walking
I
out.
left. बॉस मैं पहले ही बोला था इंटरव्यू में कि देख बॉस मैं नहीं आ सकता जल्दी.
Was it interesting enough a story? अपर इतना ऐसा क्या लुक दे रहा है जैसे कि बहुत बेकार
No,
story.
I think. Do you want to do it together or
गाड़ी क्यों पहना है? मैं परफ्यूम भी मारा मालूम है आज.
मैं भी पता नहीं क्यों.
हाँ.
Hello guys, this is Ram Narayan. You should watch Off the Comms, which have
Together.
Don't give me a South Indian nod. Ram, ये क्या है?
चल जनरेटर बंद कर.